other side, it is Joyce
And a foul.
who gets the N1.
Kung papaulin mo lang, you better make sure na hindi na masashoot. Let him go to the free throw line and take her
Gio
chance.
inside to Joyce. Gio ended up with it. N1 para dito sa Cyclone.
So ang may kasalanan is the guy defending Gio. He took his eyes off him. Gio went in from the time he was playing college. Now medyo mabigat-bigat na siya.
Right now, yung import pa, binabantayan niya. Ang problema, napalian siya ni Benki sa magkakataon na yan.
Actually, he's also a very good shot blocker.
Benki, Joyce, and Amores.
Oh!
Nice flyby by Winston.
Yeah, this is another guy that's really coming on to his own.
Naramdaman niya, dumadagundong sa kanyang likod.
Which side?
Turnaround jumper.
Titira na yan. Titira! Oh, how come he loves to shoot like that? So what a great timeout. What a great substitution pala.
Hobson putting in the last say to end this first quarter of action. Closer, kicks it over. Tolentino. Trotter and one.
Because of all the scrambling that you have to do to prevent Tolentino from hitting it, malakas na labanan niya. There is Santos again. This one, he looks like he got the range. Kita-kita mo yung dating niya.
Ryan Santos shoves, converge back ahead. Halalon on the move, pero nagsunod-sunod na. Natapa sila sa Meralco, 28 tambakan do.
Binigyan ng N1.
Dito sa Northport, 26. And then sa TNT, last time we saw them.
8 points ba yun?
7. -7 sila sa pagkakataon.
Their scorer that could help them.
Arvin looking for his first field goal. Stretches for this one. Gets the basket. May kasama pang foul.
Hindi niya binigay yung continuation. Ito continue na.
Ito, sinigurado.
Spin, a nice move. Nice pass. Nice conversion. Stockton with a 3-point shot. And that's the biggest lead yata of the ball game for them.
Oh,
15.
Chin-chin na.
Oh.
Sumweldo na ang abante rito ng convert. He spins away. Oh, drop pass pala yun. Apo, di na binaba.
Hindi talaga maka-elevate to his...
Joyce, spinning baseline. Pinagbag si Ambohot.
Hindi nyo na ako mapapaul. Uunahan ko na kayo. Dadak ko na.
Binilisan yung kilos ng mama. Nieto, nakita nila doon sa loob si Ambohot. Nieto,
Oh!
off the window.
Yeah. Counted yun. Meron pang investigation.
Landing spot yata si Silipit dito. Ito sa kami ni Joyce. Nauna si Munzon. He is behind Hobson. Munzon with a layup. And Northport is threatening once again. They are within 8 though. Din ang kalamangan for the first time since 4-2. Navarro!
Yes!
Goal!
Naghahanap pa siya ng foul.
For Alec. Arvin gets it. Quick release
yes.
by Tolentino and one. Para sa bottom pair.
Well, nag-gamble doon si Shonny by fronting him.
Munzon with a steal. Munzon lays it home. Clock and read 7. From the outside, Joyce in. 40 and 1.
Binigat niya yung kanyang he's looking for the 3-point play.
7 to shoot. Stockton gets the basket. May kasama pang foul.
Oh, what a game by Stockton. I mean, that's the second time he went against
2. Winston pull up. Good!
Ganda rin ang laro ni Winston at Stockton. Parehong maganda laro. They're the guys who brought them back here.
103-99, converged by 4.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro tapos sunalo.